Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add checkboxes in Obsidian so you can manage your tasks and to-do lists within your digital garden in 2026. Let's get into it. First, use the command palette search. The most direct way to add a checkbox without remembering complex Markdown code is by using Obsidian's built-in command search. Place your cursor on the line where you want the checkbox and press Ctrl+L to add it. This method is perfect for beginners because it immediately transforms your plain text into a functional, clickable task. Next, bulk convert multiple lines. If you've already written out a long list of notes or ideas, you can turn the entire block into a checklist in one go. Use your mouse or keyboard to highlight multiple lines of text. Then press Ctrl+L again to every highlighted line simultaneously, instantly turning a brainstorm session into an actionable to-do list. This is a massive time saver for 2026 workflows. Lastly, set up a custom hotkey. To make sure the Toggle Checkbox Status command is set, you can assign it to a specific key on your keyboard. Go to Settings, Hotkeys, and search for Toggle Checkbox Status. Click the plus icon and press your preferred key combination. Most users in 2026 prefer Ctrl+L. Once this hotkey is set, you can add or remove checkboxes with a single tap as you type. This keeps you in flow state, allowing you to manage your 2026 task list at the speed of thought without ever navigating away from your note. And that's pretty much it. To add checkboxes in Obsidian in 2026 using the command system, open the command palette and search for Toggle Checkbox Status. You can use this to bulk convert multiple lines at once, and for maximum efficiency, you should assign a custom hotkey in your settings to toggle tasks with one click. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.